And we are live. Gonna give it a minute. Okay, I don't know what that is. Pretty. That was my cat at my feet. Wonderful. Oh, I did want to just pin that comment. The free stock. Am I able to pin comments here? Guess not. Hey, how are you doing, Justin? Welcome to the stream. Gonna just put it on my phone as well, so I can watch the chat. How is everyone doing tonight? Have a decent amount to talk about. Not just talking about crypto tonight, although that will be a major part of tonight. I want to talk a little bit about stock market, as well as future goals of mine, and just some more, I guess, wisdom. I don't know what you want to talk. I don't know what you want to call it, but Justin Bourne says, was just leaving comments on your new videos. Well, thanks, buddy. I really do appreciate it. The engagement actually helps a lot in the algorithm. I try and reply to all of my comments, by the way. If I don't reply to to a comment someone left, it's not because I didn't. It's not because I chose not to. It's because YouTube didn't notify me. YouTube is very buggy these days, and I don't get notified of all my comments, which is, oh, hey, Henry. This is my little kitty over here. Do I think they... Justin Bourne asked, do you really think they will let the stock market crash soon? It's an interesting question, because it's not a matter of if they let it crash, because the monetary trickery will run out eventually. That's the thing people need to realize. It's like, you can only do so much to prop up a failing economy. And this economy has been built on debt for a very long time. If we really want to bring it to where it's gotten really bad, I would say the last 18 years, it's been pretty bad as well as far as like debt goes. But the Federal Reserve has been messing with the economy for a very long time. And that's been a big problem, because what the Federal Reserve has the ability to do is they have the ability to manipulate interest rates. And what do interest rates do? Interest rates, there's a dog barking outside. I apologize if anyone hears that. And my cat is going crazy with the wire. No, Henry. No going crazy with wires. I am sorry about this. New kitty, new kitty, new kitty. Where was I? Stock market is propped up by artificially low interest rates, which allows companies to borrow money cheaply. Now, what this does is it allows overexpansion in industries. So because they can borrow money quicker, they are able to go into debt quicker, and they are able to leverage that, and they will expand rapidly. That, at first sight, isn't bad, a growing economy. The problem is, if the Fed leaves interest rates too low, inflation happens. And the Fed is in a tricky spot, because they don't want major inflation to happen. So if they want to prevent inflation, they will have to raise rates eventually. That's 100%. They have to raise rates eventually. But at the same time, if they raise rates, they're going to pop this debt bubble. So it's a very tricky situation that the Federal Reserve is in. And the stock market, I mean, look, FANG stocks are being eaten alive right now, almost as bad as crypto. Now, crypto, the nice thing is the Fed has no bearing on crypto. crypto, there is manipulation. There are scams in crypto, but for the majority, crypto is a hedge against the Federal Reserve system. Now, yeah, I'm not sure about the Forex guys. I know there has been some that moved into crypto, but a lot of them are still in Forex, and I'm not sure how many are going to come over, but I think it really depends on a lot of factors, such as when crypto finds its bottom and when we start to rise again. But yeah, stock market has not been too great lately, so you got to be careful there. To put it simply, I'm offering a free stock with Robinhood. That's all I would be putting into stock market right now, because right now things are very bad and it's only going to get worse going forward. So you got to be careful with that. The free stock is all I'm offering because it's free. Even if it gets cut in half, it's still free. You know that you can't go wrong with it. But when it comes to actually putting your capital in, I'm waiting on the sidelines of the stock market. I'm waiting for a 50% correction to really get involved. I'm not selling my holdings in stocks right now. I'll hold through it, but I'm absolutely expecting a large recession and crash in the stock market. So I'm on the sidelines when it comes to stocks. Robinhood's not accepted in Canada? That really stinks. I wonder why they did that. Maybe they don't have like regulatory approval or something. If you hear jingling in the background, it is just my kitty being crazy. Just saying. Now, another thing I want to talk about is the channel and where I'm going forward with it. So the Naughty Investor channel is going to stay a primarily cryptocurrency channel. That is 100% true. But going forward, I am going to incorporate secondary secondary content into the channel that are based not solely on crypto. So this channel is going to stay 90% cryptocurrency. 9 out of 10 videos are going to be cryptocurrency related on the channel. But I am going to work in some entrepreneurship videos, making money online videos, as well as stock market videos. Because the stock market... What is my cat doing? My cat is tearing up something. I don't know. But nonetheless, that is part of why I wanted to do this live stream, because I wanted to talk about other things that are going to be on the channel. So I am going to have some stock commentary on here, some picks, some warnings on stock markets and the bond market as well. A lot of people think, oh, I'm going to put money in the bond market because stock market's going to crash. Bond market is not healthy either, because when you're taking bonds, the inflation is going to eat away at that as well. So be careful with bonds. Gotta be very careful with bonds. So just to summarize, going forward, there is going to be some secondary content on the channel that is unrelated to cryptocurrency. Back to cryptocurrency, the market is... It's been scary. It is a falling knife. But if you could find the bottom, you're going to be made very wealthy, okay? And if you hodl through it, you're going to be made very wealthy, because you have to remember, I'm not going to talk about all the cryptocurrencies. I'm not going to talk broadly, but I'm just going to zone in on Bitcoin right now for a moment. Bitcoin alone has crashed like 70% multiple times in its history. Now, it is true that some of those times the market cap was much smaller, but the principle still remains. I don't think crashes to cryptocurrency are anything new. And I've been involved with crypto for about a long time now, 6 years, I think. 6 years, no, maybe 4 years. I'm overestimating, because I got involved in high school and I'm in my early 20s. I'd say like 4 years, 4 to 5 years. So I've been involved in crypto for 4 to 5 years, not 45, I'm not that old, 4 to 5 years. And I've seen many crashes. And is this one a bad one? I'm not lying, this one is a bad one. But there's been many crashes in the markets, and they are to be expected. All right, let's just be real here. They are to be expected. So I don't know. I'm not buying the dip right this second. I am going to buy the second dip that happens because I think there is going to be at least one more dip. But nonetheless, I'm not selling right now. I see some YouTubers saying, oh, I'm selling my crypto. Worst thing you could do right now. Do not sell your crypto right now, because if you sell right now, you're selling in the bear market, and you don't want to sell in a bear market. You want to hodl through the bear market. That's when you want to add to your portfolio. You want to sell in the bull market, all right? Now, oh my God, my kitten is going crazy. No, Henry. Sorry about that, everyone. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about on the channel, because I mentioned the how I'm going to incorporate non-cryptocurrency content into the channel. I'm going to have everything clearly labeled. I'm not going to bunch everything into one video. I'm going to make the crypto videos. The non-crypto videos are going to be clearly titled, right? So there's a video I've been planning about on how to make some money doing online surveys. And that's going to be clearly titled, nothing to do with crypto, online surveys. So I don't want you guys to worry about, if you're only here for the crypto content, don't worry. You're only going to be getting the crypto content. Everything will be clearly labeled, all right? So in summary for today, Brandon says XRP the standard. Yes, XRP is the standard. It is going to be standard on many exchanges when it becomes the base currency. I think Binance is very, very possible. So that's why I made that video the other day. I think 2 days ago or one day. I put out a video about Binance and how XRP could become the standard currency for Binance. That would be huge for the XRP community. So stay tuned for that. That's really all I wanted to cover. It's a little bit of a shorter stream than usual, guys, but I really do thank everyone for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Expect more videos tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.